Hi, dear Welsium, back to timeless wisdom. All the grease from your home without spending hours scrubbing and scrubbing? It seems impossible, but cleaning professionals have secrets that can completely transform the way you clean your home. In this video, I'll reveal 7 professional tricks that will eliminate grease the smart way using techniques that work while you relax. You've probably experienced the frustration of scrubbing a greasy surface for hours and it still feels sticky. Or you've spent a fortune on cleaning products that promise miracles but don't deliver results. The truth is that there's a science behind removing grease. And once you understand the basic principles, everything becomes much easier. These tricks I'm going to share with you aren't just theories. They're tried and tested methods that have been professionally cleaned for decades. If you don't learn these techniques, you'll continue to waste time, energy, and money on methods that simply don't work. But if you apply what I'm going to teach you today, you'll discover how cleaning can be quick, efficient, and even relaxing. Get ready to find out why heat is your greatest ally against fat, how to create homemade solutions that are more powerful than expensive products, and what the secret is to making fat come off on its own. Stay until the end, because I'm going to reveal the most powerful trick that few people know about. Tip 1. The power of natural steam. The first professional technique you need to know is the use of natural steam to soften the fat before you even touch it. Fat becomes much harder to remove when it is cold and hardened. But when we apply heat, it returns to a liquid state and comes off easily. This method solves the most common problem we face in the kitchen, which is trying to remove caked-on grease with brute force. When we scrub cold grease, we only spread it across the surface, creating a layer that is even harder to remove. The steam breaks down the grease molecules and makes it practically run off on its own. To apply this technique, you will only need hot water and a clean cloth. Boil water in a pan and very carefully hold a cloth over the steam for a few seconds until it is very damp and hot. Then place this cloth over the greasy surface for 2 to 3 minutes. You can repeat this process several times, always reheating the cloth in the steam. After a few minutes, remove the cloth and you will see how the grease has become liquid and shiny. Now, just wipe it with a dry cloth or paper towel to remove all the grease effortlessly. This technique works perfectly on stoves, hoods, tiles, and any surface that accumulates cooking grease. The benefits of this technique are impressive. You save time because you don't have to scrub. You save money because you don't use chemicals. And you preserve your surfaces because you don't have to use force. Plus, it's a completely natural method that's safe for the whole family. Tip 2. The magic combination of baking soda and vinegar. The second technique that every professional knows is the strategic combination of baking soda and white vinegar. This is not just a random mix of household products, but rather a chemical reaction that creates a powerful solution against accumulated grease. The problem that this technique solves is grease that has been stuck to surfaces for a long time, forming a sticky layer that seems impossible to remove. Many people try to solve this problem with strong detergents, but end up damaging the surfaces or creating dangerous chemical residues. To use this technique correctly, you will first sprinkle baking soda generously over the entire greasy area. Let the baking soda sit for at least 15 minutes so that it absorbs some of the grease. Then spray white vinegar over the baking soda and watch the fizzy reaction that forms. This chemical reaction creates a cleaning action that penetrates deep into the grease, breaking down its molecules and making it easier to remove. Let the mixture lather for another 5 minutes. Then use a soft sponge to scrub in gentle circular motions. You'll be amazed at how easily the grease comes off. The great thing about this technique is that it works on almost any surface without causing damage. You can use it on pots, pans, ovens, kitchen walls, and even grease-stained clothes. Plus, both baking soda and vinegar are inexpensive products that you probably already have at home. Tip 3. The secret of warm water with detergent. The third professional technique is about the ideal water temperature and the correct proportion of detergent to create a solution that dissolves grease efficiently. Most people use water that is too hot or too cold, and this completely compromises the effectiveness of the cleaning. This technique solves the problem of using detergent, but the grease remains stuck or when the water becomes too oily and it seems like we are spreading dirt instead of cleaning. The wrong temperature means that the detergent does not activate its degreasing properties correctly. To apply this technique, you need warm water, not hot or cold. The ideal temperature is when you can comfortably hold your hand in the water without it being boiling or freezing cold. The correct proportion is 1 tablespoon of detergent for every liter of warm water. Mix well until a smooth, slightly foamy solution forms. Dip a clean cloth into the solution. Wring it out well so that it doesn't drip and wipe the greasy surfaces with long, even strokes. The grease will come off naturally and stick to the cloth instead of spreading across the surface. This technique is particularly effective because it respects the chemistry of the detergent. Very hot water can break down the detergent molecules while cold water does not activate its properties. Warm water keeps the detergent active for longer and allows it to penetrate the grease better. Now, before we move on to the next tip, if you're enjoying these professional techniques, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any videos with cleaning tips. And tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Let's continue with more amazing tricks. Tip 4. The strategic blotting paper technique. The fourth technique that revolutionizes cleaning is the strategic use of absorbent paper to remove as much grease as possible before even starting the wet cleaning. This technique saves time, products, and prevents you from spreading grease during the cleaning process. The problem that this technique solves is when we try to clean liquid or semi-liquid grease directly with damp cloths, and we end up spreading it over a much larger area. This happens especially after cooking when there is still fresh grease on the surfaces. To apply this technique correctly, you will need to use thick layers of absorbent paper towels. Place several sheets of paper towels over the grease and press gently without rubbing. Allow the paper towels to absorb as much liquid grease as possible. Change the paper towels as often as necessary until they no longer absorb grease. Once all the liquid grease has been absorbed, you can move on to wet cleaning the surfaces. You'll find that you need much less cleaning product and the process goes much faster because you're not fighting against a thick layer of grease. This technique works especially well on stovetops after cooking, countertops where you've cooked greasy foods, and even on clothes that have had grease spills. The key is to always remove as much dried grease as possible before using any cleaning liquids. Tip 5. The homemade degreasing paste method. The fifth technique is to create a homemade degreasing paste that sticks to grease and removes it without the need for scrubbing. This paste is more effective than many commercial products and costs a fraction of the price. This technique solves the problem of grease that has accumulated for a long time and has already formed thick, resistant layers. Liquid products run off these vertical surfaces without having any effect, but a paste can stick and act for longer. To make this paste, you will mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part liquid detergent. Mix until you have a consistent paste that is neither too runny nor too stiff. If it is too dry, add a few drops of warm water. If it is too runny, add more baking soda. Apply this paste generously over the entire greasy area using a spatula or spoon. Spread it in an even layer and let it sit for at least 20 minutes. The paste will penetrate the grease and soften it completely. After this time, use a soft sponge to remove the paste along with all the grease. The great thing about this paste is that it works for you while you do other activities. You don't have to rub or apply force. Plus, it's completely safe and doesn't emit toxic fumes like some industrial products. Tip 6. The controlled heating strategy. The sixth professional technique is to use controlled heating to facilitate the removal of grease from appliances such as ovens and microwaves. This technique uses the heat from the appliance itself to soften the grease before cleaning. The problem that this technique solves is the extreme difficulty of cleaning burnt and hardened grease inside ovens and microwaves. Trying to remove this cold grease is almost impossible and can damage the inside of the appliances. To use this technique in the oven, heat it on low for just 5 minutes. Then turn it off and let it cool until it's warm, not hot. In the microwave, place a bowl of water in it and heat it for 2 minutes to create steam inside. The heat will soften any accumulated grease. Once the appliance is warm, apply your preferred cleaning solution. The softened grease will come off much more easily, and you'll be able to clean areas that previously seemed impossible to reach. Always wear gloves to protect your hands, and be careful not to burn yourself. This technique is revolutionary because it works with the physics of fat instead of against it. When fat is warm, it returns to a more liquid state and naturally releases from surfaces. It's like the difference between trying to remove cold butter and melted butter. Tip 7. The ultimate smart rinse trick. The seventh and final technique is the smart rinsing method that ensures that no grease or cleaning product residue remains on the surfaces. This technique is what separates amateur cleaning from professional cleaning. The problem that this technique solves is when, after all the cleaning, the surfaces still feel sticky or have stains that appear after drying. This happens because residues of emulsified fat or cleaning products remain on the surfaces. To perform the smart rinse, you will need 2 different cloths and clean water. The first cloth should be well wrung out in clean water and wiped over the entire surface to remove any cleaning product residue. The second cloth should be only slightly damp to give the final finish. The secret technique is to always rinse the cloth in clean water several times during the process. Never use the same dirty cloth to continue cleaning because you will be redistributing the dirt. Change the water whenever it becomes cloudy or oily. The end result of this technique is a completely clean surface, free of residue, stains, and that sticky feeling. Your surfaces will have that natural shine that only a professional cleaning can achieve. Final discussion. Now that you've learned these 7 professional tricks, your home will never be the same again. You've discovered that cleaning grease doesn't have to be a grueling, endless task. Instead, it's a smart process that works with science, not against it. Remember, the key to success is consistently applying these techniques. There's no value in knowing the methods if you don't put them into practice. Start today by selecting the technique that seems most suitable for the grease problem in your home. I challenge you to try at least 3 of these methods this week, and come back to share your results in the comments. Your feedback can make a real difference for others who might be facing the same issues. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Timeless Wisdom to get more valuable tips every week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos packed with cleaning secrets that will revolutionize your household routine. Which of these techniques are you most excited to try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.